Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening Roblox and joining the specific server you want to inspect. Once in, press F9 to open the developer console. This shows network and instance details. You must be logged into your account and have the game active because the console only populates during a live session. Observe the top right ping and server ID, write them down. Now, leave the console open and prepare to use built-in commands and packet info to locate region data. Next, focus on the developer console's network tab and event logs. You need to capture the server's connection details. Filter for HTTP, WebSocket, or client state messages. These often include IP, port, or region codes. Copy any numeric addresses and the server instance ID. Make sure you capture full strings because truncation loses crucial data. Once done, export or screenshot the lines. These values let you deduce the server's hosting cluster or edge node, which correlates to geographic region. Finally, paste the captured IP or server cluster tag into an IP geolocation tool to reveal approximate region. Make sure to use multiple lookups to verify consistency. If Roblox uses internal cluster names rather than raw IPs, identify the cluster prefix and consult common cluster location mappings used by developers. If data is missing, rejoin the server, clear the game cache, and reopen F9 to regenerate logs. If still stuck, ask the game developer for server details. Most will share region info for debugging.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.